Hello. So in today's video, I will explain you about our new automation which I was built. So in this, what happened whenever someone upload in our Google form with the data of you can say image, and we have to parse that information and put in a Google sheet. So let me first show you a image. Like this is the image, and after that using let me show, after that we have to put in Google Sheet. Let me open the Google Sheet as well. So if you can see, this is the Google Sheet and all the data is still here with the column name values. So let me explain now with the record. Let's say whenever form submitted, we have all upload the document. The document will be in our file of the file, which will be saved in our drive automatically. We just have a link of name of the file and we a file ID. So similarly, phone number, email, and date of contractor, name of the company, and some other information which user uploaded. After that, I am doing is I just doing here get a file. Okay, after getting a file, I have all file data. So in the next step, what I am doing, I pass that data in computer vision, and computer vision give me a full text. Okay, so if you can see, this is a whole text. Similarly, in the next step, I am doing parsing, and similarly I will parse all the information separately. And after that I add a row, and after that add a row, you can see I will add all these values in Google form. Then I have to send a message to my the person of the owner in Telegram, in you can say this is our new lead came, and this is the parse data information about new client who submitted the Google form. So this is how it works, and as I show you a Excel sheet as well, if you can see, all data is placed here. So we can parse all information from an image to a text, and we can also add in a Google sheet like. So this is our concept. So maybe it will help in your use cases as well, how to get data from image using computer Google Cloud Computer Vision. And after that we can parse this using set variable and get variable functions within make. So this is the flow. Thank you. I hope you like a video.